Hello traders. Welcome to KP Technical. Types of charts. Line charts. A line chart is probably the most common type of chart. This chart tracks the closing prices of the stock over a specific period. Each closing price point is represented by a dot. And all the dots are connected by lines to get the graphical representation. Bar charts. A bar chart is quite similar to a line chart. However, it offers much more information. Instead of a dot, each plot point in the graph is represented by a vertical line. This line has two horizontal lines extending from both the sides. The top part of the vertical line represents the highest price at which the stock had traded during the day. Similarly, the lower part represents the lowest traded price. The left extension represents the price at which the stock opened, while the right extension represents the closing price for the day. Candlestick charts. Candlestick charts are very popular among technical analysts. They offer a great deal of information in a very precise manner. As the name suggests, the price movements for each day are represented in the shape of a candlestick. It is similar to a bar chart because it represents the 4 data points: high, low, open and close. Renko Chart. A Japanese invention, Renko charts, one of the major types of charts in technical analysis, focus only on price changes and use price bricks to represent a fixed price move. They filter out minor price movements, which make it easier to spot trends in prices. Also, this feature makes the chart appearance more uniform. Heikin Ashi Chart. Heikin Ashi is another type of popular technical chart that originated in Japan, is quite similar to Candlestick Chart. With this chart, you can visualize the uptrend and downtrend quite clearly. When there are continuous green handles without lower shadow, it's a reflection of a strong trend. Point and figure chart. One of the common types of chart in technical analysis, point and figure chart using vertical rows of X's and O's. When price of a share goes up, it's indicated in the row of X's. On the other hand, when it goes down, the same is indicated by the vertical row of O's. For more stock market updates, subscribe KP Technical.